2014 is the International Year of Family Farming. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, a document increasingly referred to as customary international law, the family is the fundamental unit of society and is entitled to protection by the state. A case in point is family farming, whose importance was recognized when the United Nations declared 2014 as the International Year of Family Farms. Indeed, family farms preserve traditional food products conducive to a balanced diet and safeguard the world's agro-biodiversity and the sustainable use of natural resources. Governments can empower family farmers, men, women, and youth by creating policies conducive to the equitable and sustainable rural development of farming, and those that ensure accountability and social and environmental responsibility throughout the value chain from what is called farm to fork. Too much food is lost after harvest because small-scale producers aren't able to store, process, and transport their goods. With roughly 500 million family farms worldwide, these farms feed billions of people and play a major role in the eradication of extreme poverty and world hunger.